I'm Sinura Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 37th video from the eShop web project development series. So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to talk about the design of this message part. So this page is born from this header message option. Now there are lots of options as we can type a message and we have a button to send it and I can see the reasons and what I have sent. So this is the designing part that we are going to do over here. So in my next video, we are going to talk about the programming part of it. Now let's talk about the design in our PHP codes. So what I have done is, so don't mind because I have given my database classes also, but what I have done is I have first given my usual links as my style sheets and my icon. Then I have given a unique background for our body as a style as a background color, hash 74EBD file, then a background image as linear gradient and a 90 degrees and the same hash code and a 0% as 9FACE 6 as 100%. So that is the body background. Then I have included my header as usual. Then for this, what I have done is I have given my col 12, PY5, PX4, then a row of overflow hidden, shadow rounded. Then what I have done is I have given a div class 12, col 12, and a call LG5 and a PX0. Then a div with a class as a BG white and a style as a height 400 pixels. Then what I have done is I have given another div as a BG light and a PX4 and a PY2. Then what I have done is I have given another div as a col 12 and a H5 inside that col 12, and for that H5 I have given classes as MB0, MY1 and the FW bold and a text primer. Then a reasons title. Then again I have given a col 12 for that. Then I have given, so don't mind about this. So this is also something that we took from the Bootstrap, but these are the stuff that we have given over here. So this is a role presentation as a nav tab. So what I have done is I have given received and sent. So that is why, so I'll show you. This is the nav bar. So when you click this, it will go to send, and when I click this, it will go to receive. Then what I have done is I have given another div as a class tab content and an ID my tab content. So after that, what I have done is first I should be shown my image. So for this, I have given this. So don't mind about this because this was taken from the database, but don't mind about that. Then after that, so you all know this process also, but we'll be talking about them in another video. Then what I have done is a div as a class as a ME4. So this is a ME4. Then what I have done is I have given a div as a dflex allowing item center, then a justify content center, justify content between and a MB1, and a H6 as a MB0, FW bold, and I use the data F name as an L name. So this means the first name and the last name of a user. So if it's a design, you can just type Sinura and my name. So I'll give SW. So I won't be needing them. Then I have given a small, then a small as a class small and a FW bold and the MSG data. So this is the date time of it. So if you are doing a design, as I told you before, you can type 210000, something like that. You can do that. Then a P that means a paragraph as content. So that means the content of that. So you all know that this is the content. Then that means this is the content of this message. So that means the message. So this means the message of this. So you all may be thinking, how did I go to this? So don't mind about them. So we'll be talking about this in my next video. Then what I have done is I have given the content. Then if I go to the else, that means if I go to my sending part, also the same thing, but I have sent it from likewise, that's the same thing. Then I have given these tab, pane, fade, so that means it should go from a fade. Then I have given the same thing as before. Then what I have done is I have given this part as view messages. So when I click this, I will be shown my messages. So we'll be talking about them in my next video. So for this, what I have done is that I have given my resource new user SVG, and also what I have done is I have given an ME score and a div as a deflex align item center justify content between, and an MB1 and an H6 as me. So this means, so if I put my first name, it won't be practical because I am sending it, so I don't want to know my name, so it's me. So you all don't want to change it. Then what I have done is the date time also. Then the content what I have sent also. So this is the content that I sent. Okay, I'll check. Dear customer, thank you for contacting eShop. Mention your issue and comment in the chat box. Then after that, what I should do is this text pane. So this text part where you can text a message, that means type a message. So for this, I have given another comment tag, and for this comment tag, I have given a class as a call 12 and a call LG7 and a pixel 0, PX0. Then another div which is empty, a div row and a PX4 and a PY5 and a text white and a checkbox and an ID as a checkbox. Then I have given a text, so that means the text part. So for this, I have given a call 12 PX1, a row and a div as an input group. So for this input group, I have given an input as a type text, ID message text, a class as a form control rounder, border 0, PY3, and a BG light, and a placeholder as type a message, and an area described it, send PTN. Then what I have done is I have given a button. So for this button, I have given a BTN light and a FS2 and an ID as send button and an onclick as send message and an icon which I took from the data Bootstrap, which is BIBI send file FS1. So that is it for this text part. Then after that, you all know I have included my photo also. So this is it for this designing part of this message box, that is my message page. So I will be back with the message sending process. So that means my 38th video. So until that, stay tuned. So have a nice day and bye.